Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a model that I have been putting off getting for a long time. This is from these September releases. So pretty far off, but it was still available, so I got it because I need it for Newark. So pretty big box. It takes up pretty much the whole screen, as you can see there. There is only one model in this box, so anyway, we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. Alright, so now that the box is open, it takes up more than the whole screen. It's a large box. But I did also want to mention that this is from the RM model store, and they have been very good in general, good prices, and pretty good delivery. Although I have been having, just in general, issues with USPS, models being very delayed, and that was the case again. But in general, they got it shipped out fast. It was just USPS. So massive shout out to RM Aviation and Travel, who does own that store. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. So straight out of the box, we have the message, which I have read off in another video. But basically, it's just saying thank you for ordering and giving you a discount code. So it's always nice that they include those. And then some wrapping. And okay, yes, this is what I was hoping for. Because I did order from the Black Friday sale, first up we do have a JC Wings 1/400th clear stand. Basically, if they had enough in stock, they were going to give you one of these free with every model you buy. So I was you didn't know what color you're going to get, but I was hoping for this clear because it would be really nice to be able to use these for if I have models landing on runways and airport updates, so it'll look a lot better than my silver stand that I have from Gemini Jets. So let's go ahead and get this model out of the box. Big box. And there we go. So as you can see here, we do have the Gemini Jets 1/400th United 777-200 in the new livery. Super excited for this one. But before we do actually get into opening that up, we're going to go ahead and open up this little JC Wing stand. Let's see. It's a little smaller than I expected. Okay, there's some tape on it. See if I can just get that off real quick without hurting the stand. I mean, it's clear. I don't think there's really any paint on it or anything, so I don't think I'm going to be able to hurt it. There we go. Alright. So that should just, okay, that's kind of interesting. So you have actually pop it in and then slide it forward as kind of a locking mechanism, but that does look very nice. It's a bit smaller than I expected. Probably will only work with narrow body aircraft, but that is fine because at the moment I don't have an airport that really gets any wide body aircraft. So yes, now let's get on to the main thing, which is the model. So let's go ahead and open up the box. I just ripped it a little bit, and we can go ahead and pop this open. Pull off the plastic, and finally pull out this model, which does look very nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright, so starting right here at the front, we do have the nose, which does seem to be slightly more pointed than the 333 mold from Gemini Jets, so I'm not sure what that's about, but that's just a small little thing. Then we have the Starline symbol, the L1 door, the front landing gear there, which is slightly too long. The newer 777 molds do have slightly oversized landing gear, except for the 777X, which has perfect size landing gear. I plan to do a review on my 777X soon because that is really a great model. And then we have the United titles in the blue. That's really nice looking with the new livery, with the stripe going on to the L2 door, the Wi-Fi box and the first antenna. Now down on the wings, the engines, which do seem to be kind of like further out than the 333. I'm not sure. This model just has like a couple small defects. That's not like particularly any. They're not like singular. I've noticed a lot of people have had this, and it's just like the mold. but it's not that big of a deal. And then we have the wings, which the wingtips do not have the little, almost like half winglet thing. I'm not sure what that's called, but they're just normal wingtips from the 222. This is just a 777-200. It is not an ER or an LR, which the older United one was. Then we have the L3 door and the registration, which I will zoom in, and that is November 210 Uniform Alpha. And then the US flag, the L4 door, the incredible looking globe in the blue with the kind of fading blue up the tail. That looks so nice. I love United's new livery. And then that is the model. Also on the underside, you can see we do have the classic 777 kind of 3 or 6 landing gear, which is really nice, and the Gemini Jets logo with the little stand hole. Overall, a very nice model, and I'm very glad I was able to get this. So anyway, everyone, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below telling me what you think of this model, and if you do want to see more unboxings like this. Also, I have opened up another blind from my window because the sun just kind of went behind a cloud. Hopefully that makes the lighting a little better. So yeah, everyone, once again, hope you all do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.